Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe. Today we're talking about the 6 reasons why you need a budget. So welcome. So before we begin, what is a budget? A budget is basically telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. My number one reason why you need a budget is it helps you to save for your goals. Basically, a budget helps you to keep your eyes on the price. What is it you really want? And with a budget, it will help you save for that particular goal. Maybe you want to buy a phone, you want to buy a laptop, or you want to go on a trip, on a vacation. With a budget, you can be able to do this because basically you can decide that, okay, this particular item costs this amount of money, and for me to be able to achieve this, I need to be saving maybe a particular amount every month. And yeah, you are going to be able to achieve your goals if you have a budget. My second reason is with a budget, it helps you not to spend money you don't have. Sometimes you can just be spending money carelessly and we've not budgeted for it. And if you don't have a plan for your money, you can just discover that, okay, fine, I spent that money I shouldn't have. Maybe it was for something else, maybe it was for something else that was so important, but because you didn't budget, you ended up spending money you did not have. So with a budget, it really helps you to be intentional with your money, to spend the money that you have. Another reason why you need a budget is it helps you save for emergencies. We live in a world where anytime, any minute, an emergency can happen. You might be driving and then suddenly you get into an accident. You might fall sick. Maybe something in your house needs to be repaired, or anything can really happen that you didn't plan for it. And this might make us maybe go into debt because you just have to solve that particular problem. But if you have a budget, you can really be intentional and decide, okay, fine, this amount of money I'm setting aside as an emergency. In case anything happens that I did not plan for it, you have the money to take care of that particular thing. I've made a video on emergency funds. I'll leave a link to the video right here. In this video, basically I talk about what an emergency fund is, how much money you should have in your emergency fund, and if you want to have an emergency fund, basically how you can go about this. So make sure you watch it. Another reason why you need a budget is it helps you point out what are your bad spending habits. Once you have a budget, and since you're going to be tracking your money, you're going to be knowing, okay, fine, here I spend a lot of money on this particular item. Maybe it is not something that I really value. You can just be able to point out, okay, fine, these are my bad spending habits, and these are ways that I can improve. Another reason why you need a budget is it helps you to have money for the things you really need. We spend money every day, but some of the things we spend money on are really not necessary. But if you have a budget, you really set aside money for the things you really need. There are important things like, say, food, clothing, maybe school fees. These are the things that are really important. Once you have a budget, you're going to be conscious about your spending. You're going to be putting money aside for the things that are really important. And then if there's extra money, then you can spend on the things that are not necessary, but you want to spend money on. And a final reason why you need a budget is because it helps to avoid you getting into debt. Sometimes you might be spending money, and if you're not keeping track, you might find in the middle of the month you don't have money, and there are things you need to spend money on. So you might find yourself in a situation where you have to go into debt. And most of the time, these debts that we go in the middle of the month, you find that they have really ridiculous rates because they know this person is desperate and they need this money. But if you had a budget, you would have been able to avoid all this because you are living within your means. You're only spending the money on the things that are really important to you, and you're able to plan in advance that, okay, fine, maybe I have to incur this expense on this particular date. So it will really help you to avoid getting into unnecessary debt. So that's all, guys. Those are my 6 tips on why you need a budget. Let me know in the comment section down below any other reasons why you need a budget. Let me know whether you make a budget. How has budgeting for you so far been? If you've liked this video, you might also like my other video here where I share my tips on how to make a budget. If you've liked this video, please don't forget to click the like button and to subscribe right here if you've not yet subscribed. I will see you in my next video. Bye.